Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to append two columns into one columns. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then you open your Microsoft Excel sheet. You can see here are my sheet. Now I append two columns into one column in this sheet. Firstly select this two column and click merge and center drop down menu. Now select merge and center. You can see I append two columns into one column in Excel. I again see how to append two columns into one column. Select these two columns and click this merge and center drop down menu and select merge and center. Now you can see I append two columns into one column in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.